Hey guys, welcome back. Johnny here, and in today's video we're going to talk about the 3 companies you should own in 2023 that have a potential ROI of 100% or more. So if you like that kind of stuff and want to watch more videos like this, smash the like button and subscribe. Okay, so the first company we're going to talk about is NVDA Corporation, or ticker symbol NVDA. Now, for all of you who do not know what NVIDIA is, you're probably using some of their products right now. They are the leading chip maker in the GPUs, or graphic processing units. They also have a ton of cloud-based visual and virtual computing systems, data center platforms, as well as a lot of systems for artificial intelligence and high-performance computing. So if you don't know what they are, you do now. And here's a great way for you to earn 100% on your investment at the moment. Now, it is a great bargain to buy NVIDIA, but I do believe there's potential for it to go even farther down. Now, it's at $170, and as you can see on the chart here, it does have an upward trend slightly, and on the MACD, it is showing that it is oversold and trying to rebound up. Now on the RSI, it is showing that it's kind of in the middle between oversold and overbought. So it has potential to go both ways. Now it has been kind of having a trend line of kind of going down. So I would actually wait even a little longer to potentially get more return on your investment. Now, if we were to just put a hypothetical line here, and that's not the one I wanted. If we were to put a trend line here and say it does go up slightly to 171 and you were to sell it, now this could take months and it could take even years, but say you were to sell it at the 346 mark, you would be at 100% ROI. Now, what if it were to go down? Well, what if you were to get in on this back on the previous lows of 136? You could still watch it go down. It's even gone down as far as 121, but let's just say at 136, that's kind of where it was back in June 2020 and 2021. So let's take a look. If you were to buy in there and it went all the way back up to 346, you would be at 154% return on your investment. Now, that does not include dividends, which they are currently paying out. Looks like about only 16 cents per year, but the more shares you own, the more dividends you'll get. And as you wait for this company to go up, I mean, they have average volume of 46 million. They have a PE ratio of 52 and an earnings per share of 3.847. So worst case scenario, you hold on to this company a little longer than you expected, but in the long run, I can see this company going much higher, or at least getting back to its previous high of 346. Moving on to the next company, and if you guys would do me a favor, smash that like button and subscribe. Next company is Tesla. Now, Tesla is currently trading at $179. Their previous high for just this year was 402, and it looks like it got as high as 414 back in November 11th of 2021. Now, I'm sure everyone knows what Tesla is. There is a lot of publicity about them, but for everyone who doesn't know and is new to this channel, Tesla basically designs, develops, manufactures, sells, and leases fully electric vehicles. They also have energy generation and storage systems and offer services related to several products. Now, not only is Tesla into the electric cars, they are also doing electric semi-trucks. They are getting into Elon Musk owns other properties such as SpaceX and Neuralink and the Hyperloop. So Elon Musk backing Tesla, and the Tesla knowledge and everything inside Tesla is where they get this I guess, share price, right? But Tesla isn't not only just making electric vehicles, they're automating everything in the car industry. They're also moving into AI robots and robot technology. Have you guys ever seen iRobot, the movie? Think Elon Musk. Like, that is going to eventually happen, I believe, very soon. Anyways, off track. If you were to get in with Tesla right now at the 179 mark, let's say 181 by the time the markets open on Monday, right there, and it goes up to its previous high of $414, it would be a 125% return on your investment. Now, that is pretty amazing for buying into a company and just holding it. And as you can see, its track record, it has gone up tremendously back from 2019 at only $10 or $11 when people didn't even believe or even maybe even know what Tesla was or Elon Musk was. They would have actually a 2,650% return on investment. Now imagine all those early investors who believed in Elon Musk or Tesla or any of those other things. Maybe they just threw some money in there just to do it. They are up incredibly high. So if it were to go back up, which it's showing here now, the MACD is showing it is oversold. RSI is showing it's oversold. It's very low on the overbought, oversold indicators here on the RSI. And their average volume is 104 million. Their PE ratio is 43, and their earnings per share is 4.9. And for everyone who has been watching my channel, know that I do not like to invest in companies with a negative earnings per share or a negative PE ratio. So this is why I think this is one of the top stocks to invest in for 100% return on your investment. Now, moving along to the last one, last but not least. But before I move on, smash that like button. Come on, do it. All right. Thanks for smashing it. All right, last one. Amazon. Everyone knows what Amazon is. You probably use Amazon on a daily basis, and if you don't use Amazon, then maybe your spouse does, your kid does, your parents do. Someone uses Amazon in your house. I know people who buy dog food. I know people who buy toilet paper. I know people who buy electronics, and I know people who sell on Amazon or have books through Amazon or do a lot of different things through Amazon. But basically, if you have been living under a rock and do not know what Amazon is, just type in Amazon.com or download the app. It is basically one of the largest online product to service customer business. You can get online and buy everything and anything on Amazon that you could ever imagine through either themselves or a third-party seller. It also manufactures and sells electronic devices, including Kindles, Fire tablets, Fire TVs, Echoes, and the Ring. Jeff Bezos just blew it up with this company, which is pretty amazing. Amazon. Amazon. So, anyways, enough about that. So, Amazon right now is trading at only $89. It's actually the lowest it's been in actually quite some time. It looks like the previous low of $89 would have been closer to, looks like 2019. So it has lows as low as 2019. Now, if you were to buy into this company right now today, and we're going to put $1 just for the sake of it, because Monday's a few days away and it may go up by then. But if you were to buy at the $90 mark and it went up to $188, that is a 105% return on your investment. That's pretty amazing, right? Now, this isn't going to happen overnight. You're going to put money in and you might wait a week. You might wait, well, definitely not a week. Okay, sorry. Let me take that back. Not a week. You're probably going to wait months, if not maybe the entire year of 2023. And you might even have to wait a little longer than that. Now, these three companies could also go down, which you want to be careful, right? This company could go down to $38 and you could lose 60% of your portfolio. So I want you guys to be aware that there is definitely risk. Does not mean a company is going to go up just because it has a downward trend. And honestly, I do not invest in companies that have a downward trend, a negative PE ratio, or negative earnings per share. And as you can see here, Amazon has a negative PE ratio of 986. I'm going to double check that, and I will do a video going in depth on all three of these companies. We're going to talk about the statistics, some fundamental analysis, what other analysts are saying, what the buy ratings are. We're going to go over the financials and just take a deeper dive into these companies to see, are they really worth investing in? Well, right, the short answer after this, yes, they are worth investing in. But taking a deeper dive, we'll get a better understanding and maybe even make more money by waiting for it to dip even lower. If these companies can go down even another 15 or 20%, we could be looking at 150 to 200% ROI on your investment in the future. But for now, let's just take that 100% ROI and smash this like button. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I have over 80,000 group members on my Facebook page, Investing for Beginners community. So check that out. And if you are a member from there watching this, subscribe to my channel. Let's get some more people on this YouTube channel and help everyone out to make more money, because you already work hard enough for it. So let's put it to good use. All right, guys, go out, make some good trades, buy some stocks, and we will see you in the next video. Click this one or this one, and it's going to help you a lot more. Also, check out my dividends playlist. I have hundreds of videos on monthly paying stocks, quarterly paying stocks, REITs, dividends, and many other income producing companies. All right, see you in the next one.